Building modern kitchen cabinets requires advanced woodworking skills and knowledge of cabinetry. Choose materials that align with the modern style and create a detailed plan for your cabinet layout. Modern kitchen cabinet design prioritizes functionality, simplicity, and a clean aesthetic. It aims to create a visually appealing space. Building modern kitchen cabinets requires and reflects the contemporary design sensibilities. It's important to note that this is a simplified overview, and building kitchen cabinets requires expertise and precision. If you're not experienced in design, it's recommended to hire a professional or consult with cabinet maker to ensure proper construction and installation of your modern kitchen cabinets. Casa Custom specializes in modern kitchen designs, offering customizable solutions tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Follow us and get more details.